Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Businesses and customers may not have to wait too long to receive compensation from Flow and Digicel for poor service. This following a proposal from the Office of Utilities Regulation OUR to remove the wait time altogether. TVJ's Andrew Laidley reports.
The OUR wants Flow and Digicel to pay customers automatically for poor service delivery. In a release, the OUR says although the two companies have outlined their challenges, things are not improving and the complaints are growing. In response, the regulatory agency is developing a new set of service standards which will force the telecoms to pay whenever they are in breach. The OUR says it plans to consult with industry stakeholders and the public on the automatic compensation proposal. Those consultations will be published in a document on the OUR's website early next year. The OUR says the final decision will take account of international best practices and the comments received from stakeholders. These are different from a draft of quality service standards which is still under review at the ministry. In recent months, customers have been complaining about dropped calls and inconsistent data services. Digicel has noted that one challenge is a wide-scale shift from voice to data service, while Flow has lamented about vandalism and theft of infrastructure. Both companies have pledged to improve their service, but to date, businesses and consumers continue to suffer. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
The National Commercial Bank NCB made changes to its board at the end of November. On that day, the bank's majority shareholder Michael Leachin relinquished the post of chairman, and NCB Group CEO Patrick Hilton will take up that post. Mr. Leachin remains a director on the bank's board and continues to be chairman of its parent company, the NCB Financial Group. Thalia Lane and Oliver Mitchell also resigned as directors. But like Mr. Leachin, they remain directors of the parent company, NCB Financial Group. The bank said the changes were made in the context of NCB becoming a multinational. This following its acquisition of a majority interest in the Bermuda-based Clarion Bank and Trinidad-based Guardian Holdings. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $135.06, the Canadian dollar $100.92. The pound is going for $172.96, while the euro ended the day at $148.67. To the stock market now, the JSE index lost 372 points today, and the junior market index declined by 33 points. Stocks posting gains include Mayberry Investments, Proven Investments US dollar shares, Kingston Wharves, Supreme Ventures, and Cygnus Credit Investments. On the losing side, we had SSL Venture Capital, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, Express Catering, NCB Financial Group, and Wistinco Group. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.